Let us quickly look at this very small section called logarithmic equations. So there are not a lot of concepts here involved. In fact, this topic or this subtopic is basically only about problems. So logarithmic equations are those equations which have logarithmic terms. That's all that it means. So how will you solve these equations? Using the fundamental properties that you saw before. That is the reason why I told you in the previous section that the fundamental properties phrase that you're seeing right now is the entire chapter. So for instance, what will I do here? How will I solve this equation which has logarithmic terms? You have log a base something plus log b base something. That means it will be something like log m base n plus or log m base a plus log n base a is equals to log mn base a. Right, so you're using that inequality now. So log 8 into x plus 3 base 4 minus log x minus 1 base 4 is equal to 2. Right, and this again is something like log m base a minus log n base a, which is basically log m by n base a. So once again, you're using a fundamental property from those list of 8 fundamental properties. So log 8 into x plus 3 by x minus 1 base 4 is equal to 2. Now finally, this is of the form log x base a is equal to y, which is this is your value, this is your base, this is your exponent. So base power exponent equal to value. So base power exponent equal to value. Right, that is what I will do. And this 4 square is 16, so this will cancel 8. You'll have a 2 here. 2x minus 2 is equals to x plus 3. So you have x equal to 5. Right, this is your final answer. So if you saw, the only thing that we did here is use the relevant fundamental property from those 8 properties that is applicable to this problem. That is all that logarithmic equations and their solving is about. Let's move on to the next subtopic.